Hi everyone, Randy Schueck here at the Lightware booth in Las Vegas. What we're showcasing here is our GVN product line. So we have one new encoder that we're really excited about, which we're showcasing here, and it's our USB-C encoder that's full featured. So it can deliver 100 watts of charging, video, audio, USB data, and Ethernet back to a host. What we also have is we have a Bridge Dante version of this where we can bridge a Dante speaker or an audio device back to the host without any additional software involved in something like this. So it takes out the need for a Dante USB adapter in this type of environment. What we're also showcasing and really excited about is our MMU that now offers control with our LARA, and we're able to build user panels. So you can see we have a simple user panel here, and we can also show the actual stream of an encoder. So you're seeing a preview of that actual encoder up to 1280 by 720. It's MJPEG, and it's great to add to a panel. Now you can control this type of system with any third-party control system. The way it works is you talk to this MMU-X100, which is an AV-over-IP manager, and it auto-discovers the endpoints. It makes it very simplistic for an IT admin or a technician to quickly get a system up and running, or if you're a programmer needing to program a system, it's much easier to do. So we're able to independently route the video, audio, and USB layer completely separate in this product line. It's USB 2.0 extension. There's no bridging for the USB. It's full transparency. So if you have a third-party camera, Logi, Poly, whoever it may be, the host device will see that, which is great because now it's full USB 2.0 data traffic that's going back to the host. We're very excited about this product line. Please feel free to reach out to us at fse.na@lightware.com. This is a shared email address split between some of the design engineers at Lightware that can help you out with applications. We look forward to talking to you.